My hair really feels so soft, y'all. Like that, I will say they got that right. Hey guys, it's Deandra. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing the new Pattern Beauty products by Tracee Ellis Ross. And I was so excited to finally get my hands on these products because everybody has been talking about them and I just had to know. So I actually bought my products from Ulta. I actually got the travel kit, which comes with 3 different products and they're in a small size. So the 3 products that it comes with are the Hydration Shampoo, the Leave-in Conditioner, and the Heavy Conditioner for coilies. And they came standing up in this cute little bag. So I've already washed my hair with the shampoo and conditioned with the Heavy Conditioner. And I'm going to try to insert some clips so you guys can kind of see while I'm talking. So first things first, let me talk about the price of these products. So basically, these products are not cheap. Like, I wouldn't say that they're super expensive, but they're definitely more expensive than like the Shea Moistures and the Cantu type products. So basically every single thing on their site is $25, from the conditioners, the shampoos, the oils, everything is $25. The brush is actually $17 and the microfiber towel is $19, and they also have a hair clip for $10. So the travel kit that I got was $24. It was also $24 at Ulta, which is where I got mine. And I just felt like that would probably be a better choice since I wasn't even sure if I would like the products. It didn't really make sense to get 3 big bottles of these products when I wasn't even sure how my hair would react to it. So I really like that she offered the travel kit option so that you can try kind of like a sample of each product. Alright, so starting with the Hydration Shampoo. It's a very silky consistency, which I really liked. And it's more of an opaque or foggy color. It's not clear. And on the back it says, great for curlies, coilies, and tight textures when your hair needs a nourishing cleanse. A luxurious oil-boosted shampoo that gently lathers to cleanse hair and scalp, removing buildup without stripping away moisture. It says that it's paraben-free, free of SLS/SLES, color safe, free of cyclic silicones. It's also formaldehyde free. So that's really nice. And as far as how it felt on my hair, it felt very nice. After I rinsed it out, my hair was clean, but it didn't feel stripped like some shampoos do. So it almost felt more like a co-wash, which was great. And of course, I washed my hair in 4 sections, just like I always do, to make sure that every single strand and my entire scalp got clean. So moving on to the Heavy Conditioner. So this is called the Heavy Conditioner for Coilies, Amplified Hydration and Nourishment. So on the back it says, great for coily and tight textures when your hair needs to absorb all the moisture. A smooth and buttery conditioner that delivers serious hydration, detangling slip, and lasting definition to coily and tightly textured hair types. And it says the same stuff about being paraben free and free of silicones, just like the shampoo says. Alright, so first of all, I was a little surprised at the thickness of this conditioner. I really hope that I can insert this clip so that y'all can see, but it's like stiff. Like it comes out literally like a tube of product. And I wasn't really used to that, and like you had to really use some hand strength, girl, to squeeze that conditioner out because it was like stiff. And so I really wasn't sure about that. I'm more of like a creamy girl for my conditioners, but once I kind of rubbed it into my hair some, it did become a little bit softer, and it actually did allow me to detangle my hair pretty easily. Granted, my hair was already detangled before I even got in the shower, so I don't really know how it would work if your hair was not detangled at all. And also I was in the shower, so my hair was soaking wet. I do not feel like this conditioner would work well on damp and definitely not dry hair because it is so thick. I guess it's really thick like this because it's for coilies and it's supposed to be like a heavy conditioner. She has different levels of conditioners, so maybe the other ones aren't quite as thick. I'm not sure. So I left that on for about 10 minutes and then I rinsed it out. And I will say that my hair felt really, really good. Like, it felt super, super soft. It felt like I deep conditioned. And so, you know, she gets a check there for me. And my hair is actually pretty defined. I'm just gonna zoom in so y'all can see. Like, my curls were already starting to clump just with the conditioner. And I saw some girls use the conditioner as an actual styler, and I feel like that probably would work pretty well since it is such a heavy product. I didn't do that this time, but I might try that later on. So the smell. So they all smell the same, but for some reason, when I used the shampoo, I didn't really smell it that much. But once I put that conditioner on my hair, it's like the smell was more intense. It's not a bad smell. It's not a bad smell, but it's not my favorite smell. Like, it almost smells like plants or something. Like, it smells very like, I don't know, it just smells like, literally it smells like plants. Like, it's a very weird thing to say, I know, but that's just like what it reminds me of. It's not really like a sweet or fruity smell, but I don't really smell it like on my hair now, and so it's not like a strong smell that stays on your hair, I don't feel like. Alright, so I think I'm gonna just do a braid out, and I'm gonna use the leave-in conditioner. I'll probably add a little bit of gel just to make sure that I have some hold with my braid out, but I'm really gonna mainly use the leave-in just to see how I feel about it. I'm hoping that it's not quite as thick as the conditioner was, but we're gonna see. Alright, so let's see what this is like. Okay, this is a lot smoother and creamier. Definitely not like the conditioner was. It's more watery, I guess you would say. Okay, so this feels nice. I would say that this is a pretty lightweight leave-in, which is nice. I personally couldn't use this just by itself because it wouldn't actually define my hair. I think my hair is still pretty frizzy. So this would be like a really nice base up under like my gel or my styler, whatever styler I choose to use. And it does make my hair very, very soft. There's nice slip. So yeah, it's nice. So this is what my hair looks like with just the leave-in. My hair really feels so soft, y'all. Like that, I will say they got that right, because it does feel great. Take out a smaller section. And I'm just gonna add some of my Weline gel. Not too much. just enough to give my hair a bit of hold. And my hair is already fully detangled because I actually used a brand new detangling brush, and that video is going to be on my channel very soon, so make sure you check that out. So my hair is really shiny and pretty, and I have really nice definition. Alright, so now I'm just going to go in and separate my hair a little bit. It doesn't need much, so this should be pretty quick. Alright, so that's the end of this review and tutorial. Overall, I really do like the Pattern products, especially the leave-in conditioner and the shampoo. The heavy conditioner was a bit thick for me, but I feel like it probably would be good for some people. And again, these products are a bit pricey, so make sure you take that into account if you're going to get these as well. Let me know down below if you've tried the Pattern products or if you plan to try them. Thanks as always for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.